Problema mo ba ang melasma, dark spot, pimple mark at wrinkles? Tanggalin natin yan dito sa Natura Spa and Beauty Salon. At hindi lang yan, they also offer facelifting and removing skin pigmentation. Sa mga interested, ilagay ko sa comment section ang details. And this is your guide on how to get here from Central MTR Station Exit D2. Paglabas niyo sa D2, turn to your right at lakad lang kayo ng straight. At kapag nakarating na kayo dito, ay turn left at lakarin nyo lang ng straight hanggang makarating kayo sa may traffic light. From here, tawid lang kayo sa kabila at lakarin nyo lang ng straight. And then keep walking straight. Kapag nakita na ninyo itong Almost Sobi na sign, ay dito na kayo mag-turn right. At lakarin nyo lang ng straight at makita na ninyo ang 27 to 29 Ionic Building. Pasok lang kayo at may elevator sa gilid at nasa 3rd floor ang Natura Spa. At yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next adventure and follow for more.